Hi guys, it's Michaela and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my Project Pan update for the month of October. I am excited because I got 2 new rollouts for you guys, so I'm excited to share. But let's just go ahead and get started in with the item I rolled in next month, and that is the Rare Beauty Illuminating Primer. I have mine in a mini and I used it a total of 6 times, so not bad. I moved it up a little bit. It's an airless pump, so it moves up. I can probably finish this off by the end of the year, so I'm happy with the progress. Then we've got my Urban Decay Moon Dust eyeshadow, and unfortunately I hardly use this at all this month. My goal is to use this 50 times or finish it off. I used this a total of 2 times, so I've got 26 uses left. I feel like I can hit my goal by the end of the year. I have a feeling it'll probably take most of the rest of the year, so I only have 26 uses left. It's one of those things I was focusing on other items in my collection. And then we've got my Pure Cosmetics 4-in-1 Mineral Primer. Last month it shattered. I did decide to repress it, but I used it a total of 6 times as well. That seemed to be my average this month, just kind of where we're at. But yeah, I still see the progress. I have a feeling we'll see more. I'm going to try to finish this off by the end of the year. I'm not quite sure if I'll make it or not, but I can see it not being too much longer. And then the other item I actually rolled in last month is my Tarte Creaseless Concealer. I also used this a total of 6 times this month. I don't know how we're going to see progress on it. I do feel it kind of starting to weigh a little bit less, but it might be a while. It might take me the rest of the year or even in the next year to finish it off. This is also a mini, but I feel like I can do it as long as I work at it, but I am enjoying it so far. And then the next item is the ColourPop Super Shock Blush in the shade Too Cool for School. I only used this a total of 2 times, so obviously no progress on it. This is the time of year I like pulling out these tones though, so maybe I'll get more progress in the coming months. Again, this is my long-term goal to pan. I would like to finish it up. It's probably going to take another year, and I'm kind of on the fence on, do I really want to keep it in my project for a 3rd year in a row, or do I want to just roll it out and use it in my normal rotation? So I'm still on the fence. I'll see how I feel at by the end of the year, but at this point it's taken me 2 years. It's still good though. It's really, I thought it'd be expired by now, but it's actually still running strong, and I am still enjoying it, which is nice. And then the next item I've had since the beginning of the year, it is an empty. I am so excited. I am painting the Natasha Denona Diamond and Glow blush and diamond powder, and I finished it off. I was so excited to have finished it off. I used it a total of 2 times this month before I finished it off. I knew it wasn't going to be that long, so from the start of the year to now I used it a total of 67 times between the start of panning this to finishing it. So I am super happy with that. So stay tuned because I will show you what I'll be rolling in just a minute. And then the next item I have on hand, I was super upset because I think I lost it in a parking lot, but it is my Becca lip liner, another item I've had in the beginning of the year. Honestly, I pretty much finished off. I only had like 2 or 3 more uses left anyway, so I'm just going to call it an empty and roll something else in its place. But I used it a total of 16 times this month, which means I used it a total of 76 times from the start of the project to the finish of the project. I believe this is one of the items that I started with in the beginning of the year. I don't quite remember. If not, it was a month or 2 in, but 76 uses total, so I'm happy with that. So I am excited to be rolling something else in its place. So the 2 items I am going to use to replace the items emptied are 2 items that I probably wouldn't originally have seen myself panning, but they're so close to being empty, I just kind of want to finish them off. And the first one is the Marc Jacobs Dewdrops. This is just a mini, or I think it might even just be a sample size, but it's one of those airless pumps again, so I feel like I can probably finish it off. It might take me the majority of the rest of the year because I don't use this very often, but I want to see what happens when I put an item like this in my project to see if I can get more creative with the uses out of it, so I am excited. And then the next item is just a basic everyday lipstick. Again, another mini. I'm at that point in the year where I just want to see what I can finish off and get out of my collection before the start of next year. So this is the Rare Beauty. It's the lipstick in the shade Thankful. It's just a basic kind of brownie nude, which I can see myself wearing on just kind of as an everyday lip color on days that I just want a little something extra on my lips, but I don't want to go for a full lip. I don't anticipate that I'll finish this by the end of the year, so I am putting this in actually expecting it to roll into next year, because there's always a lot more in the bottom of the tube when you finish it off. So I'll probably end up rolling this one into next year's project. But I'm excited that this is my new project. I'm excited with the progress I have made this month. I honestly did not think I would make near the progress I did. And if you saw my last video, my makeup monthly, you'll see that I have a lot of empties that were not Project Pan related. So I am excited. Anyway, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and my goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty as well as my love for Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior. If you are into that, hit that subscribe button, but if not, but you still want to stick around, I'd love to have you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.